Hello everybody, I'm just going to talk to you about my palette paper pad. First of all, it comes to you and it's 5 inches by 7 inches and you get 35 sheets. When you open it up, you'll notice that each of the sheets is very shiny on the face and slightly less shiny on the reverse. They'll tear off simply and easily, so when you've worked with one, that can literally slip into the bin. What I love about it is how easy it is for brush loading. So yes, I can put a whole amount of paint out that comes out of one of my bottles, but you might want to work with your smaller pots simply by putting your brush into the pot and taking 2 of those fabulous colours. I can mix on my palette paper before I get ready to paint. It doesn't get much easier than this, much smoother, much creamier, and much more frugal. So you really won't be wasting any paper or paint when you work with your palette pads. Make the most of it. They're so convenient and easy to use. Don't miss out on getting yours. If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.